Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add 2 or more animation in one photo or even video in Capcut. So here I already have a photo and I'm going to add one animation first, the first animation. So just click on the photo or video and you'll find the animation. Click on that, and here I'm going to just click on combo, and you can find any animations that you want, but I'm going to choose bounce. So just browse over until you find bounce animations. Okay, there are so many. Okay, I'm going to choose bounce ones like this and click on the check icon, and now you're going to export the photo first. Okay, so just wait until the exporting process is finished, and now click on done and start a new project and choose the previous projects, the one who has bounce animations like this, and now click on the photo or the video again and click on animation, and I'm going to choose in. And now you can choose any animations that you like. So for now I'm going to just choose a shake. Okay, and you can adjust the durations. I'm going to set it on 1.5 seconds and click on check, and now we're gonna see the result. Okay, so it has more than one animations. I'm going to delete ending, and you can do the exact same steps as previous. Export the result and add animation again, and you can add more than 1 or 2 animations into a video or photo. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can add 2 or more animations. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on like, subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.